Starting today, the purchase, sale or storage of any form of chewable tobacco is banned in the national capital. After the Delhi government's decision to enforce the ban, teams of the Delhi Police and Health Department will be conducting surprise inspections to ensure it is implemented. Now, Headlines Today did a reality check on the ban, and here's what our camera found out.
Tobacco has been banned in Delhi, but on the streets of Delhi you can still see the tobacco packets being sold. भैया जी, आपने अभी ये पैकेट्स हटाए हैं, कब तक माना जाए कि आपकी दुकान से सब कुछ हटेगा?
तुरंत जा रहा है मेरे पास, तो मैं फोन करके बुला रहा हूँ, तुरंत जा रहा है। मैं फोन करके बुलाऊंगा, तुरंत जाएगा ये।
So you can see after Headlines Today, camera came here to remove the packets of tobacco from his shop, but will this regulator actually happen in Delhi, and will this rule actually be implemented in Delhi is a big question. With cameras in Subodh Saxena, this is Shweta Sharma for Headlines Today in Delhi.